know, we've been tracking this rain to our south. The same areas that had those fires needed the rain in South Georgia. We're getting much needed rain there, all because of an area of low pressure. It's also going to bring some wind in here. You noticed that this morning.
We did. You saw us
holding it down.
In the drive.
Oh, I was doing the same thing.
Yeah, hopefully it was Beyonce wind, where it blew the hair back.
Oh yeah, like this. That would be nice. Yeah, I was holding it down as well. I needed some extra hairspray today. Maybe you do as well, because we are going to see what we call a pressure gradient. First, I want to show you this area of low pressure. This is going to be to our south, really off into areas like Louisiana, just off into the northern Gulf. You can see that with all the green, the rain associated with that area of low pressure. It's pulling moisture in from the northern Gulf, and it's spreading all the way into South Georgia, as well as North Florida, and of course the panhandle of Florida. But you see the white, that's cloud cover. We're going to continue to see those clouds on and off throughout the day today, mainly because of that increased moisture moving in from that area of low pressure. But I draw your attention to this area of high pressure farther to the north, because those two weather makers are so close together. I know they seem far apart, but they are creating what is called a pressure gradient. Those winds being funneled right in to the southeastern U.S. and right into North Georgia, and that's why those winds are kicking up, because we see that clockwise wind flow around the high and a counterclockwise wind flow around this area of low pressure, and that's why those winds out of the east will continue to kick up through the day today, at times gusting near 30 miles per hour. There is all the cloud cover that we continue to track out there. You can see this coming in from the Gulf, and that's going to lead to at times a gloomy day, but we'll see some breaks in those clouds here and there as the sun tries to break through some of those high thin clouds. 64 is the temperature right now in Atlanta. Cool enough that you may want a light jacket, but fairly mild temperatures out the door right now, because we do have those clouds insulating the atmosphere, keeping those temperatures from dropping quickly overnight last night. Now, because we'll see clouds into the afternoon and not as much sun, we won't have as much time to warm up into the 80s. Our average, or the normal this time of year, is 80 degrees for Atlanta. We're going just below that to a high of 78 in Atlanta. We'll be in the mid 70s as we take it to the mountains today. Griffin at 77, Carrollton today warming to a high of 76 degrees. But here's a look at your 7-day forecast, and we will see tons of sun tomorrow, and we'll continue with more sun after today's cloudy skies. More sun for your Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and temperatures going back into the 80s, going a couple degrees above our average to a high of 82 on your Wednesday, 78 on Thursday, back to the low 80s on Friday, and then the upper 80s for Saturday. We'll see a few additional clouds rolling in, but rain chances out of the picture altogether. And look at that, 91 for Sunday, 91 for Monday. So yes, summer-like weather upon us, just a little early. Let's check.